Hello and welcome back. Let's take a deeper look into the Realtracs map search. Now this would be very beneficial to use all of these different filters so you can really understand what's in the area and make sure that we're not missing any red flags. Let's check it out. Starting out at Realtracs.com, start by logging in the top right corner. Select the email that we're set up through and let's get into the dashboard. From your dashboard, start by clicking the agent search I have set up for you. Once you are in the search, click the Layers button in the top right corner of the map. From here, you can switch between Street View and Satellite View to see exactly what is around the home. Now keep in mind that these images are not always up to date and might be missing a recent change. Comparing them with Google Maps is not a bad idea as well. Now the other options you will see here will be what makes this map search so much better than Zillow or Realtor.com search. I recommend flipping all four of these on every time you're looking at homes. You can break the map down by county and zip code, as well as showing the topography and possible floodplains in the area. When you click these on, the first one that will populate are the counties, which will be in red outline. From here, you can zoom in and eventually have the zip codes show up as well in a black outline. This is beneficial if you need to stay within a certain zip code of a school zone and want to tailor your search around that. Now, if you continue zooming, you'll eventually see the purple areas which signify the floodplains and the topographical map lines as well. Flood insurance is always required if your home is sitting in one of these purple areas, so best just to avoid those. The topography lines will be very helpful to visualize the slope of the property and determine the usable sections. Using all of these filters will really help you understand what's in the area and make sure that there's no surprises when you show up. Thank you for taking the time to learn with me today, and be sure to catch the last video in the series going over how to create your own search in Realtracs. Thank you.